Lahore is called the city of gardens. This is Sahafi colony, locality of Lahore, and it has its own park. We are entering. Beautiful grass. The weather is pleasant. It is June here, and the weather is cloudy. Cold breeze blowing. It is well maintained park. People come in the morning in large number for jogging and to attend yoga exercises. The garden officials have watered the grass to save it from scorching heat, to nourish it with water. The pathway is made of brick. Very nice plants, well maintained. I don't know their names. In the background, there are clouds and houses. Clouds in sky and houses on earth. What a beautiful scene. Air is blowing and the plants are dancing. It gives relief to eyes. It relieves stress. What beautiful flowers dancing on the tone of cold breeze. I don't know the names of these plants, flowery plants. There are roses, red roses. Children are playing on the other side of the park. Where there are slides and swings. green grass. This is hut. Benches are placed here for visitors. Sometimes I also come here to gossip with my friends. In the background are trees with yellow leaves. Very beautiful scene. The weather is cloudy. In the background, you will see houses, beautiful houses. These are pathways. Eye-catching scenery. This is Lahore. It is called the heart of Pakistan. Lahore is another financial capital of Pakistan. It is also called educational and cultural capital of Pakistan. It has thousands of years history. It's not a new city. We are entering a sitting area, another sitting area. Nice place to visit. Sahafi colony is a modern locality on the outskirts of Lahore, but not very far from downtown. This is sitting area. Families and friends, they come here with their children. Dustbins are placed here and there to clean the park. I liked. I like this plant. Look at, she is my granddaughter.